Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now we've done a number of different pool cleaner reviews over the last couple of years and shown you guys why it's important to keep our pool clean here in the Gold Coast Service Paradise. We're actually going to look at the 4 pool cleaners reviewed this last 12 months and go through each of the features. So here you go here. So you've got the Degrii Zima Pro, the Beatbot AquaSense, the Aiper Surface S1 and the Aiper Surface Pro pool cleaners. And the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro pool cleaner as well. What we're going to do today is we're actually going to go and look at each of these pool cleaners to show you guys the different features. Now, you got things, for example, from the Surfer, which is the pool skimmer, across to the Degrii Zima Pro, which has its own battery pack built in. But each of these have different functions and features which you may need. Some are more of the kind of the budget end, still do features. Others are more premium end. So we're going to talk about which ones, why you should choose them, some of the key functions, so you guys can make a decision about which ones you want to purchase. Now, check out the links as well for the full videos for each of these. As you can see, there's the pool over there where we'll be testing it out. Very exciting on the beautiful waterways here at the Gold Coast. Guys, if you love videos, make sure you like the video, subscribe, reach out the channel. And now let's jump into the review. So unboxing the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro, the first thing you'll notice is how well packaged everything is. The robot itself has a sleek, modern look and feels really solid. It weighs about 12 kilos, which gives it a sturdy, well-built feel, but still manages enough for easy handling. You'll find a power adapter, a retrieval hook for easy pulling, the cleaner out of the pool, and a set of extra PVC brushes. One of the standout features I noticed during the unboxing is the 5-litre basket and ultra-fine 3-micron filter. Plug it in, let it charge for about 3 to 4 hours, and you're good to go for up to 3 hours of cleaning time. I love how this model includes everything you need straight out of the box, and the quality of the components give it a really great first impression. Now to get started is very straightforward. You hold down the button there and it activates the pool cleaner. Now when you hold it down, it goes into blue and it starts in auto mode. So auto mode basically is continuing to clean the pool until it's finished, and the sensors basically show where it's going, enabling it to map the pool with the different modes. Now let's talk about the setting up. It really couldn't be easier. Just charge your robot, drop it in the pool, and it's off. The Aiper app, which is simple to download and use. You can switch between different cleaning modes like Waterline mode, which cleans on the pool edge, wall mode, floor mode, and the eco mode, which is great for maintaining a clean pool throughout the week. And yes, it works with any pool surface. Concrete, vinyl, tiles, guys, you name it. This is auto mode. So auto mode, as I mentioned, handles both the walls and floors in a continuous cycle. Floor mode focuses on the pool floor, cleaning an S pattern, which is great for just a quick clean. The Waterline mode, on the other hand, is one of my personal favorites. Moves horizontally to scrub along the waterline. This is super useful if you've ever had that annoying build-up that's hard to clean manually. Wall mode is also designed to scrub the pool walls exclusively, climbing up and down in an N pattern. Lastly, there's eco mode. That cleans for 45 minutes every 48 hours. Perfect if you want a hassle-free, ongoing cleaning solution throughout the week. So I'm going to take a look at the Degrii Zima Pro and actually open it up and see what comes in it. As you can see, it's a great unit here and it's very, very good size, and the build quality is very good as well. So let's take a look and have a look at it. So there you have the legs. So it's got 4 traction legs, and they enable you to basically hold onto the pool and hold onto the walls. And because the legs are so good, they actually hold there as well. So they use traction, and you'll find when we do the test, it actually sticks to the walls, sticks to the pool floor as well. It really is excellent. Now, I'm going to open this up as well. We've got filtration here. Now, the filtration of it is excellent. So I can filter down to ultrafine filtration, down to 180 micrometers. And you can see where we were testing it previously, it picked up lots of long leaves as well, which is really, really good. So it's got 2 filtration bays as well. So that's the first one. And as you can see, that's where it sucks it up for the leaves and all the little things that come through. Now, it's got 5,000 square feet cleaning coverage as well, which is excellent. And it's got 250 watt suction power too, which is absolutely incredible. So it does suck really, really well, this little beauty. If we go and have a look at the other side here, we've got the other side too. You can see that here is the second filter as well. And again, you can see how it's filtered very, very effectively up there as well. Once you get to Wi-Fi, it brings you to this screen. So you can then choose the name of your device and then select the pool type. So ours is like a rectangle with a bit at the end. And then you need to shape, it's a slightly moving pool, and also select the pool type, the bottom type. Then you need to put the pool measurements in here. Now this is really important, guys. You need to actually tell the robot pool cleaner exactly where it's going to be cleaning. So you got the B measurements, which has width, You've got the A, which is length, and you've got the C, which is the other depth as well. So you pop those in, and then it lets it know what to start doing when it's cleaning the pool. You just submit that, and there you go. Congratulations, it's set up as well. So the Degrii is now set up. So now you can literally go and pop in the pool and start using it after it does a quick app update, which we'll do now. Okay, now so I'm going to go and put the Zima pool cleaner into the pool. So I'm going to go and pop it in there and show you how it works with the app. So there we go. We pick up the battery pack first, sit it on top of the water, nice and easy like that. We then go and grab the pool cleaner and put it into the water. Now it's got to get, obviously the air's got to come out of it as well. So you watch it would sink slowly as well. Great thing is it's not too heavy as well, so it sits in there lightly. So there you go. I just dropped that in there nicely and let it go in. Again, nice and easy all by itself. Very, very effectively, noise-free. And with the excellent suction of it as well, it really does pick everything up as well. It's fantastic. So as we wrap up our review of the Degrii Zima Pro, it's clear that this is more than just a pool cleaner. It's a game changer in pool maintenance. Guys, we highly recommend the Zima Pro for several compelling reasons. And they really do stand up against other pool cleaners. Today, I'm super excited to show you a potential game changer in pool maintenance. The Beatbot AquaSense Robotic Pool Cleaner. And the recharge time is fairly quick, just around 2 to 3 hours to get it back to full capacity. Once it's charged up, we're ready to connect it to the app. It's time for the pool test. So guys, now we're going to try the Beatbot with the floor, wall and waterline mode, which is that option just there. You can also see it here in the app as well. So you go to the mode and you select it there. You can also select custom mode if you want. We're going to pop in the pool and show you guys how it works and track it for a bit longer. And then after all, we'll see it as if nothing there at all. You can enjoy your backyard in complete tranquility while it works away. Starting with the floor cleaning mode, the AquaSense uses intelligent path optimization to ensure full coverage. The quad-core 1.8 GHz CPU and advanced sensor allow it to map the floor in real time. It moves in precise N and S-shaped cleaning patterns, ensuring every inch is covered without overlapping. It's fascinating to watch. You can tell it's designed to clean with maximum efficiency. Now we switch across to the wall cleaning mode, and this is where it gets really impressive. The AquaSense moves along the walls with ease. I can't compare it to Spider-Man. You know Spider-Man, how he climbs up the walls? It's just like that. I've seen plenty of pool cleaners that none have climbed the walls so smoothly. The dual group roller brushes scrub away dirt and algae, leaving the wall spotless. It clings tightly to the wall as it moves, covering every inch and handling every even curved or sloped surfaces effortlessly. And as you can see, it goes up and down the wall, not having to go back down again. After a full cleaning session, the AquaSense heads to the waterline for easy retrieval. The waterline parking feature is brilliant. It brings the unit to the surface. So guys, I don't have to worry about fishing it out from the bottom. The retrieval hook, as you can see, made it very, very easy to lift out, and I'm ready to check the filter. And the other thing is it's not too heavy as well if you want to lift it out of the pool. This filtration system truly captures everything, making a huge difference in water clarity. Clean the filter is simple. Just rinse it with a garden hose and it's ready to go for the next session. And also shows how good it is actually in sucking up as well. The powerful motor gets it up and the pool looks beautiful afterwards. So that's my verdict on the Beatbot AquaSense. Honestly, it's exceeded my expectations in every way. From unboxing to testing, this pool cleaner has proven itself to be a premium, high quality device. And guys, you're in for a treat here, and there it is just there. Look at that. Now the great thing about it is look how light it is. I can actually carry it like this with no trouble at all, which is actually really, really good for a pool cleaner. Let's start with the unboxing. The Aiper Surface S1 comes well packaged and right out of the box. You can tell the device has been thoughtfully designed. Inside you'll find a robotic skimmer itself, a DC charger and a user manual. The skimmer is sleek, lightweight and features a catamaran-like design with dual floats and a central deck that houses a solar panel. It weighs just 5.8 kilos, making it easy to handle. And guys, look at it there. It reminds me just of like the city cats they use in Brisbane, how it kind of skims along the surface like that. What really caught my attention is a solar panel on the top, as you can see just there. The S1 is primarily solar powered, which is a brilliant feature for anyone who wants a sustainable and energy efficient solution. On sunny days, the solar panel keeps the battery charged while the skimmer works. And don't worry about the cloudy days. Aiper includes a DC adapter, so you can charge it manually if needed. As you can see, there's the pool just there, and you can already see how much sun is on that pool there. Press the power button and let it go. The device uses ultrasonic sensors to navigate the pool, avoiding walls and obstacles while ensuring maximum coverage. Unlike other skimmers that can get stuck, the Surface S1 features an anti-stranding design with retractable support beams that prevent it from climbing onto steps or shallow areas. Guys, this is a huge plus if your pool has an unconventional shape or tricky corners. So getting the Surfer S1 to work is really, really easy. Because it's light, it's easy just to pop into the pool and then it starts working straight away. Now with the ultrasonic sensors, it knows exactly where it is at the pool. And you see there, it just bumped off the wall. Those bumpers means it doesn't get damaged whatsoever. And as you can see, you've got the propeller there, which is propelling it quite easily. As you can see, it's sucking up the debris as it's moving through the pool. Now, we've got the sun out at the moment as well, which means the solar power is powering it as it's going. The great thing about this is it's very clean as well. So it does it all by itself. And as you can see, it's finding its own path very, very efficiently. So very easy to use. And the basket can take up to 5 liters again of goods and 200 microns. Also, the anti-stranding device prevents any kind of grounding on it as well. But with a pool like ours with oblong shapes, it is really good. It's able to see where it's going and what it's actually doing. So you can see it's working very well. And it will just keep on going around the pool until it finishes. And you can also pair this with the app as well. Noise-free and quite easy to use. So yeah, it's great. What I thought I'd do now is just speed up as well about 3 times so you can see how quickly it moves across the pool. As you can see, it just skims across the surface, picking up any debris, large items, pollen, anything like that. So it works very... I'm going to turn it around. So I push down. You see it's going backwards now. Obviously backwards is probably the way to go. So we'll turn it this way. Turn it around to that way. Actually turn it that way. So I've got my ways mixed up. So I'm going to turn it around this way. Yeah, it's very, very good. Now, I've been testing the S1. Now, I've been testing the Surfer S1 extensively the past few weeks. I've got to say, it's performed brilliantly. I started by using it in my pool behind me here on the Gold Coast, which tends to collect a lot of leaves and debris thanks to the surrounding trees. A lot of stuff also blows in when there's a lot of high winds. The skimmer worked tirelessly from sunrise to sunset. So there you go, guys. How was that? Different pool cleaners depending on exactly what you guys want to do. They'll have different functions, different features, but all in all, they all work very, very well. Very different price points. So, you know, we've got the 4 of them just here. So guys, let me know if you've loved the review, which ones you'd prefer to go for. Maybe if I've missed any information that you guys may want or any kind of tips you want about the pool cleaners, but we love keeping the pool clean. And as you can see, it's absolutely sparkling. So anyway, reach out and thanks for joining us.